How do you generally update your key-cutting machine? Using a personal computer, download the upgrade kit, install the kit, connect the PC to your machine with a USB cable, and finally you are able to update the device. The new Condor XE Mini Plus 2 allows users to update the system, app, firmware, and database on the machine directly. All you need to do is connect to Wi-Fi network. Enter the update screen, press update, and wait a few moments of time. Finished. It's much easier and more intuitive for anyone using the machine. That is what Xhorse is striving for, to continually improve and optimize its products and offer a more user-friendly and universally accessible using experience.